I wish I figured this out earlier. If you're a Nigerian and you grew up here like 15, 20, even 25 years ago, then you would probably be familiar with this. There was always a get lucky and win promo. One time, it was Coca-Cola. They'll tell you to keep buying Coca-Cola products, open the cork. Then we used to use glass bottles. So open the cork, unwrap it, and then you're going to find like a free gift inside. You could win a car, you could win cash, you could win like a lot of things. You could win free drinks. There you had a lot of us, myself included, going to look for Coca-Cola corks. We call it Kanta in this part of the world, international audience. Kanta means bottle cork. Permit us to use Kanta, please. It's more relatable. We used to go and look for Kanta everywhere, and then we'll like unwrap it. We'll see, try your luck next time. The only thing I ever won were free drinks, like maybe 2 free drinks. When you get it, you go to the depot, and then you go claim the prize. The only thing I won were free drinks. You know, submit an envelope, do this one, we'll do a raffle draw. I only won free drinks. There was also Indomie. Indomie will tell you, get 10 Indomie wraps. We'll stack it into 10 of that small pack, and then get into 10, and then they'll give us like a raffle ticket and all of that. Then they'll do a raffle draw, and then we'll win something. So you have me again scavenging for Indomie packs, because I mean, we couldn't possibly have a lot of Indomie packs to go around. I had 3 other siblings, so scavenging, literally walking the neighborhood. Let's live in a face my face with them. The neighbor cooks Indomie, I'm rushing, and God bless you that the neighbor does not have children, because they're keeping it for their children. We are all rushing. At the end of the day, I won nothing from Indomie. I didn't win a car, I didn't win a house, I didn't win money. I only won free drinks from Coca-Cola. It took me a few years to realize that this method is not for me. There are only a few people that really make it big from a simple lucky break like that, and that's one they work for my side. In fact, till today, anything that involves sudden luck, you cannot find me there. I remember, we used to have very broke days, and then you come on Instagram or Twitter and any of those places, and then you see a random influencer saying, oh, I'm crediting my followers randomly. We have this 20,000, 50,000, 100,000 naira giveaway. I said, people dropping their bank details. I didn't bother to drop my own, because I already realized that this kind of thing, they work for me. When I see sudden luck, I just totally avoided it. What happened was I started understanding how to engineer my own luck. So instead of trying to wait for luck to suddenly meet me on the way, I started learning how to consciously engineer my luck. And when you engineer your luck, what happens is that you don't leave things to chance. You consciously, deliberately build systems that ensure that your success is guaranteed. What did I do? I started stacking skills. In 2013, I learned barbing. A lot of people do not know this about me. Bad as a bad, drop me anywhere in the world. I have 0 connection, 0 skill. At the very least, I can do barbing. Also in 2013, I started doing weight and take photography. So while learning barbing, I'd take an excuse. And then every Saturday, I'd go do weight and take photography at somewhere called Siwa in Port Harcourt. It's a big Catholic church. So they used to do weddings there every Saturday. So I and my friend, we'll go take pictures there. We'll go to either use our machine to print it, or go to Caronet Photo Lab. I remember back then, to print the pictures, come back, find the people, give them the pictures, and get our money. Fast forward till 2016. I was an intern at NMPC then, but I doubled. I started learning graphic design then. I started learning how to sell online. I started learning editing, video editing, audio editing. I started stacking skills deliberately. In 2017, I even got better at my craft. I started my own design agency. I went full-time into printing, photography. 2018, 2019, I started building my digital businesses, networking with other people, building quality relationships. Since then, it has been me stacking up skills, building my businesses, consistently building systems such that I ensure that I'm engineering my own luck. Has it worked for me? I'll leave you to answer that. All I'll just do is to give you a simple task. Just go look up Joseph Don as recent as 3 years ago. Look up Joseph Don from 3 years ago. Look up Joseph Don from today. You're gonna notice a huge difference. What is the point of this video? Stop waiting for your lucky break. Start doing conscious work. Start engineering it. Finally, when you become successful, when your breakthrough comes, people will call you lucky. But only you will know that it wasn't just mere luck. You actually did engineer this success. Hope this meets you well. I'll see you in the next video. If you have not liked and commented and subscribed to this channel, make sure you do. I'm coming in hot next time. If you love this, let me know. Take care of yourself and cheers.